Welcome to GardenWrld, your go-to space for everything houseplants, care tips, and growing green indoors. Today, we're exploring one of the most fascinating and graceful plants you can grow at home, the prayer plant. Known for its vibrant leaves and mesmerizing nightly movement, the prayer plant, especially Maranta leucanura, brings not just color, but a calming presence to any space. In this guide, we're covering everything you need to know to grow one successfully, from light and water to humidity, soil, propagation, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Let's begin with why it's called a prayer plant. During the day, the leaves lie flat, but as evening approaches, they gently lift and fold upward, like hands in prayer. This daily rhythm is called Ctenanthe, and it's one of the many things that makes this plant feel alive. Native to tropical rainforests in Central and South America, prayer plants grow under dense canopies, where they receive filtered light and thrive in warm, humid air. Mimicking that environment is the key to keeping yours healthy indoors. Start with lighting. Prayer plants love bright, indirect light. Too much direct sun will scorch the leaves, while too little will dull their color and slow their movement. A spot near an east-facing window or under a grow light works well. When it comes to watering, consistency is everything. The soil should be kept moist but not soggy. Water when the top inch feels dry, and use filtered or distilled water if possible. Tap water can contain minerals that damage the leaves over time. Humidity is also critical. Aim for 50 to 60% or higher. A humidifier is ideal, but you can also group plants together, use a pebble tray, or place your prayer plant in a naturally humid room like a bathroom. Avoid misting too heavily. Moisture on the leaves can lead to fungal problems if airflow is poor. Keep temperatures between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Prayer plants dislike drafts, sudden changes, or dry heat. Think consistent and cozy. The right soil mix is well-draining and airy. A blend of peat or cocoa coir, perlite, and potting mix works great. Repow every couple of years, or when the roots begin to fill the pot. Feed lightly during the growing season, about every 2 to 4 weeks, with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Skip feeding in winter when growth naturally slows. Prayer plants also benefit from light pruning to remove damaged leaves and encourage bushier growth. Keep the leaves clean to help with photosynthesis and prevent dust buildup. You can propagate prayer plants through division during repotting, gently separating root clusters and potting them individually. Stem cuttings can also root in water or moist soil under high humidity. Watch out for common issues. Brown edges often mean low humidity or hard water. Yellowing leaves might signal overwatering. Leaves not folding at night could be stress or not enough daylight.